Hello, classmates. Welcome to Educational Evaluation. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Tom Janda, and I'd like to start off by thanking Professor O'Connor for giving us this fun and easy assignment to start off the semester. I know that she's doing it to get us engaged with each other easily, and it helps me, so thanks. My content area is chemistry. I've always loved chemistry, and my hope is to teach high school chemistry eventually. I'm not teaching right now. I have been looking, not real hard, but I have been looking for a position. I'm not currently working at any job right now, so I should have plenty of time for my graduate studies. I have applied for a long-term substitute position, but I was recently told that they hired somebody with teaching experience, which is the one thing that I don't have. I have knowledge and passion for chemistry, and I have a passion for teaching and for being with kids, but I don't have any teaching experience, so that's one area that I'm behind the eight ball. So the school that did not hire me for this full-time position or this long-term position suggested that I just become a regular substitute and gain experience that way. They were interested in having me associated with their school, and I think that's a positive sign. I don't hold it against them that they wanted to hire an experienced teacher. In fact, I think they did me a favor, maybe by not hiring me and offering me just occasional substituting. Having said that, I reached out to the school and I've asked them if they would also be willing to help me with access to some classrooms for this class and another class. As I move forward in my MAT career, more and more classes require access to a class, and eventually I'm going to have to be teaching. My plan is to do the Trans B certification method of becoming a teacher. When I started this, I thought that I would be teaching by now. I realize there's a lot more involved than I first expected, and it's a little bit more difficult than I expected, which is fine. I'm just having to reevaluate how I go about this. But I'm getting close to the point where I need to just find a teaching position of one kind or another. Maybe substituting is a small step in that direction. Let's see. I'm supposed to talk about what I want to learn from this course about evaluation. And I would say the overriding thing that I want to get out of this class is teaching has always been, at least most of the teaching that I've gotten and many people have gotten, has been kind of what I would call one way. Teacher teaches, the students learn or absorb like a sponge, hopefully, all this wisdom in education. But good teaching is not really like that. It's a process and it's a partnership, and it needs to be, instead of in a straight line, it needs to be more of a circle or a circuit. So I want to find ways to assess my ability as a teacher by asking the students what they've learned, what they had trouble with, and then changing my teaching strategies based on the feedback that I get from them. And then I can reteach things, and with this give and take method and all the feedback that I can give the students and the students can give me, it will become a true teaching partnership and not straight line teaching. It'll be more of a circuit. I want to complete the circuit, so to speak. That's what I want to get out of this course. And so welcome and happy 2017.